Hi there, I'm Matt from the Underground Cookery School. Today I'm just going to show you a really simple, easy recipe. Hi, I'm going to show you how to make baked breaded chicken. Now what I've got here is a very nice breast which I'm going to lightly season on both sides. And now I'm going to just cover in flour. Then egg yolk. Make sure you cover it totally. And then finally the breadcrumbs. The best way of making breadcrumbs is just blitz up stale bread till you get the sort of sawdust style consistency, which I like. And this process you can use for pretty much doing anything in breadcrumbs. That's to say, you do the flour, the egg, and then the breadcrumbs. And I'm going to put this in the oven on about 170 degrees, fan assisted, for about 25 minutes. Okay, 20 minutes, as I said earlier on, still quite hot. What I'm going to do is I'm going to let it rest for about 5 minutes. And then plate it up. But that's how you make breaded chicken.